Hey, what's up, guys? PATTAY'S Forms checking in. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys seen that I picked up a free Toro single stage snowblower. I found it on the side of the road. So yeah, right now the primer bulb is missing on it. There is a little bit of gas. So let me flip you guys around and we'll see what we got. Something stupid or something easy. Uh-oh, it's locked. Come on. Here we go. Look at this. Ta-da! Oh, okay. This wheel's a little crooked. Not the end of the world. Electric start, nicey nice. Primer bulb is missing. And this is a CCR 2450 with a 20-inch width. It is a little loose. Not the end of the world. I'm doing this whole video with my cell phone. I'm confident. All right, let me get this thing down. But I don't think the electric start works. Watch this. I think either the gear is frozen or it's stripped, but I won't know. Oh, can we spray go-go juice in there? All right, some go-go juice. Yeah, nope, broke. Oh no. Remember the last video I made? That actually smells good. All right, let's see what we got. I don't think we're low on gas. There's some gas in there. Let's see what I got, because that actually ran for a little longer than it should have with some stars. 2-cycle, some seafoam, and let's see if we have a runner. Don't forget, maybe the engine's cold too. All right, so we got a couple of things going on. Could be quite possible that it could have warmed up a little bit and it started running okay. If you guys seen it was running on and off choke, or if you guys notice, I put some seafoam in there. And do you think the seafoam did what it was supposed to do? And clean it out? It was a little bit of both, you know what I mean? Actually running the machine and, you know, just, I don't know, two strokes are a little, they shake a lot of movement too. So maybe whatever was in there that plugged up the jet could have worked itself out. And honestly, I'm not complaining at all. If you guys are figuring out what the hell am I doing, is I keep a very small stash of Toro parts, keys, and primer bulbs. Because that's every snowblower I get, primer bulbs are bad. And I get them 2 at a time off of eBay from China. And if you guys remember my Snow Commander video that I got for free, I actually had 1 key left in my stash, 1 primer bulb, and 2 primer bulb bases. So that's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, you know what? I'm going to call it a wrap at that. Because usually I have to take that panel off to get to the primer bulb. I really can't slip on, the primer bulb. I don't know why. I'm just not good like that. But since I have to take the machine apart, I might as well dive into the electric start. Because if I could replace that gear, or maybe it's stuck from sitting, then that'll be a good video. All right? Happy New Year, per se. New Year's Eve. Do not do anything stupid. Do not drink and drive. Call Uber, call Lyft, download the app. There is 0 excuses on why you should be drinking and driving. All right? It's been a freaking fantastic year on YouTube. I think I'm coming up my 1-year anniversary. I have to check. Okay? An awesome year flipping and fixing. An awesome year of repairing stuff. You guys are a great addition, even though it took away from that because it's a lot to record and edit and all this crazy stuff, right? But no matter what, I wouldn't have it any other way. This is a great chapter in my life that I decided to open up. Shout out to Henry Mowers and Blowers for, you know, kind of pushing me to do it. All right, so Happy New Year to him and his family. Okay. What else? Oh, the tool giveaway. Tomorrow means we are 6 days away from concluding our $100 Snap-on Milwaukee tool giveaway. So remember, jump on that video, subscribe, comment the color you want because it's $100 worth of tools, guaranteed for life. They will be lasting a lifetime, so make sure the color you pick is the one you're going to be happy with for a very, very long time. Okay, I appreciate it. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. And guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And no criticism on this video. Just straight up on my cell phone. Quick and easy. All right? Next one will be the normal go around. All right, guys. Later. Be safe.